Okay, so now you've done your video and you want to export it and submit it for your project. So basically what we do is we make sure that there's no in and out points here in the timeline. So you can right click up here, up in the top, and say clear in and out if you have any that are there. So that would be these guys right there. You'll notice I don't have any. So basically now you go up to File and you want to export your media, which is Command M. Then you get the exporting window. Now the thing that bugs me about this is where it's going to go and where it's named is this little guy right here, this blue one. So we're going to do that first. Click on the blue part and you'll get this window right here. You will need to open it up so you can see where it is that you're going and give it a name. So put in your name, please, because this is going to be all in a whole big folder with everybody in there. So I'm going to put Bruce Tyrrell video number 3, and I want it to just go here. That's fine. I'm going to hit save. Now, our settings and how they're going to go. Now, you can click on format and you can pick, oh my goodness, there's a ridiculous number that are in here. Really good quality is H.264. That is an excellent quality. MPEG-4 is of lesser quality, that kind of thing. Personally, if you just want everything to stay the way it is, match the sequence settings right there. That only works if you created the sequence properly, though, which were the steps at the very beginning. So you can pick what it is that you want. I'm going to match the sequence settings because obviously I set things up properly. And then basically I'm going to go and take a look. Yeah, everything else looks good. All right, I'm going to hit export. Boom, and this may take a while depending on the speed of your computer. Okay, so the first thing that it does is it encodes it. It means it redraws all of the frames and everything like that, and then that may take a while. Once it's done saving, then basically you can go and take a look at where you put it. I put in Google Drive, video 1-3, and there it is right there. That's my movie. Okay, so I can double click on it. It'll probably open up in, for me, it's in QuickTime, whatever video player you have. You can take a look at it, and there it is. Awesome. Great. Ready to load into Google Classroom. Thanks very much.